But here we goes, people. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday the 14th. Tonight we are breaking Boom Box Head Knockers. It's a 2-box break in which we did random team sales. You can see on the left we've already randomized the teams. Randomized customers, we then alphabetized all the customers so they could see who they had a little bit easier. Gave them plenty of time to trade. Here we go. Gotta just roll our dice. We got a 9. Gotta rotate on our box. Ain't going nowhere. I just need a little room to maneuver box one around. One dull knife, huh? I actually hit this team, I think, yesterday, guys. Yeah, well, sometimes stuff don't get mixed up quite as much as you hope. But, boom! That's going to be a Denver Bronco. Well, it's going to be DeMarcus Ware this time, y'all. We had Peyton last night. Got the Beckett certification. This time it's going to be DeMarcus Ware. Got a great friggin' sig on that, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful. Marcus Ware, who has a Denver. J-Paw, there you go, bud. Well, J-Paw's having an alright night. So far, he's got 2 out of the 3 helmets, man. He hit the cam earlier. Now he's going to take the Marcus Ware. Let me get his name on it. And don't worry, J-Paw, I'll rub my wiener on it all later for you. Alright, guys, here we go. Box number 9. Roll the dice, wrote it on that puppy. Ooh. Well, that's a nice little hit, y'all. Boom, man. That's going to be a Seahawk ice helmet, folks. Yes, sirree. That is the captain, Mr. Russell Wilson. Boom, man. Nice. Russell Wilson. Beautiful ice helmet, folks. Got Russell Wilson's signature, the Mill Creek the Mill Creek hologram, and sticker. Let me see if I can get that damn light off of it. Let me give you a little different view of it so it's not so glaring on it. You damn right I was serious. Wow, DP. Nice hit from Mr. Big DP up top. That's going to wrap up that 2-boxer, folks. Not a bad 2-boxer. One of the all-time great linemen. One of the big stars of today in a beautiful ice helmet. Y'all want to break stuff like this? Stuff on by Boom City Breaks. Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, 7 nights a week. Breakers.tv, Boom City Breaks, place to be. Thank you. Have a good one. Doo -doo.